Hi, welcome to My Cartoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw the thinking chair from Blue's Clues. So take your marker and then you can follow along with me. So this is going to be a very short video. It's going to be very easy to draw this chair. So the first thing we're going to do is actually draw the pillow of the sitting pillow of the thinking chair. So what I want you to do is just draw a straight line. Like that. We'll just draw a straight line and then we're going to curve the line back. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to make it to the back like this and connect it on the other side. So as you can see, it slants in on both sides and that's the top of the pillow. And now we're going to draw the face of the pillow here, or the bottom of the pillow. And I'll draw just two lines about the same height and I'm going to connect them. There we go. And there's the sitting part of the pillow. Now from here I'm going to draw a straight line down and I'm going to draw another straight line down. Good. Now from these two straight lines in both directions I'm going to draw just a short line out and roughly about the same distance. We're going to do the same here as well. Just a short little line out like that. And now in between we can connect these lines up. And there we go, and we connected. And in the middle you're going to draw another line and you're going to connect them. Good. And now for the challenging part. We're going to draw the armrests. But first of all, from the bottom, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a mark roughly about here. And I'm going to do about the same thing on this side. Go a straight line and roughly about the same distance. And I'll make another mark right there. So, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a curvy line out to that point. Right there. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. A line that curves out there. Good. And now for the challenging part. So we're going to draw the armrest. I'm going to start from the corner, from the top of the pillow, and I'm going to draw the front of the armrest and I'm going to draw it out, and I'm going to make a circle because there's sort of this curl that goes in. There we go. Good. And now we're going to do the same with this. So I'm going to start right there. I'm going to follow it around. I'm going to go on top of this first line we draw, make it a nice curve, and there we go. Good. And there's the armrests. Now from here, from the back of the pillow, you're going to make the armrest. You're going to finish the armrest and take it to the front of that, and then we're going to take it from here as well. So I'll just start on the top side. I'm just going to bring it all the way around and I'm going to take it to the pillow as well. There we go. Great. And now for the backrest. I'll make two marks for me, two guidelines, and I'll make a top one as well. So I'm going to draw a nice curve to both sides. Good. So let's do that. And there we go. There we go, and that's finished. And there's the thinking chair. And now, just the last thing, the legs. I'm going to draw a little curvy line out, another one on this side. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make the foot, and I'm going to bring it to that point. Same as this, all the way around and bring it to that point. And there's the 2 feet as well. And there's our thinking chair. So now it's your turn to finish it up. So you're going to take your red marker, crayons or colored pencils, and color the chair in. And try to put some shadows in everywhere and to make it a bit more interesting. And I'm sure it's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And please don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.